Hi there, crypto friends. Welcome back to Jack Reddington's channel. Jack's still out, so you've got me, your favorite guest host, guiding you today. And oh boy, we've got a hot topic. The truth about 300x leverage. Can you really win big using small bets? If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more awesome trading insights. Quick disclaimer, as always, this video is purely informational and entertainment focused, not financial advice. Always do your research and chat with a financial advisor before trading. Got it? Awesome, let's move on. So first off, what's leverage? Think of leverage like borrowing power. It lets you trade larger positions using less of your actual money. For instance, with 300x leverage, just a tiny movement can significantly amplify your profits or your losses. Intrigued? You should be. But let's talk about doing it responsibly. The myth of leverage. Addressing misconceptions. There's a huge myth out there that high leverage automatically means guaranteed losses or instant liquidation. Not true. High leverage is simply a powerful tool. Use it carelessly, and yes, it'll bite you. But use it smartly? Well, now you're talking serious profit potential from small bets. Smart trading. Small bets, big potential. Here's how pro traders use 300x leverage responsibly. They make small, manageable trades. We're talking comfortable, affordable bets, say around $5 or $10 per trade. This keeps risks low, your margin healthy, and allows room to manage trades effectively if they temporarily go against you. Practical example. Let's say you open a $10 trade with 300x leverage on a small price movement. If the market moves just slightly in your favor, boom, you've got a significant profit. But what if it goes against you? Here's where your small bet saves the day. Because it's small, you can patiently manage the position. Wait for stabilization, double up strategically near market reversals, and soon enough, your trade turns positive again. Small bets, smart moves, no sweaty palms. Leverage and margin management, key to success. Proper margin management is critical. Before trading, ask yourself, can I comfortably handle multiple adjustments, like doubling up or doubling down 5 times without stress? If yes, you've nailed the strategy. This means you trade confidently, comfortably, and never risk unnecessary liquidation. Common leverage mistakes. Avoid these. Watch out for these classic pitfalls. Oversized trades, neglecting risk management, or ignoring market signals. High leverage isn't gambling, it's strategic. Stick to disciplined trades, small bets, and always follow reliable signals and your own analysis. Why our signals help? Reliable signals, like those from SignalCLI, act as your trading assistant. They're not meant for blind following. Always pair signals with your own basic market analysis. Our signals integrate hundreds of indicators, providing around 80% accuracy, helping you make informed, responsible trading decisions. So the truth about 300x leverage? Yes, it can help you win big, even with tiny bets. But the key is trading smart, keeping trades small, managing margin wisely, and always pairing signals with your own analysis. Enjoyed this? Hit like, subscribe for more crypto insights, and comment your thoughts or questions below. Jack, hope you're proud. Catch you all next time.